first thing we're going to look at within our settings is the add-ons. You can add add-ons to a reservation from the back end, or you have the option of making an add-on available from the reservation portal. There are three types of add-ons. The first being a sale add-on. This is for a physical product that you sell from inventory, such as a bundle of firewood or a s'mores kit. Or you can have a rental add-on, which is a physical product that your guests can rent, such as a golf cart or storage unit. Or there's an other add-on. This is for fees or any other charges that are not a physical product. The main difference of add-ons as opposed to something like POS items is that you can make add-ons available for people to purchase and pay for at the time of their reservation creation. To create new add-ons, I'll simply go ahead and click on the add-on button within my settings. Then I will click New Add-on on the top right of the add-ons page. From here, as you can see, I can choose the add-on type, whether it's a rental. This gives me an option to set a daily, weekly, or monthly rate, as well as track the quantity available, and whether or not I want to make this rental available for guests to book when they make their reservation on the reservation portal. Or I can create a sale add-on, which will just give me a price and a cost, or an other add-on type, which will just give me a place to fill in the price. Let's go ahead and make a sale add-on as an example. I'm going to go ahead and create a firewood bundle and set the price as $15. Now that I fill in the name, the description, the price, I have an option whether or not I want to track the cost of this item or whether or not I want to track the quantity. For this example, I'm not going to track the quantity of my firewood bundles, but I do want to make it available on the reservation portal so people can purchase firewood bundles before they arrive and when they're making their reservation. Once your add-on is set up, you can hit save. This will then allow you to add images if you choose. If you don't want to add images, you can just hit save again or back to all add-ons, and this will give you your whole entire add-on list. I'm going to go ahead and create a few more add-ons just to show as examples. All right, so as you can see, I made a few more add-ons. I made a cabin cleaning fee for $25. I made a cable TV add-on, which I used the rentals for to repurpose it to charge a daily, weekly, and monthly rate for a cable TV. I added a firewood bundle and a kayak rental, which would be a normal rental for an actual physical item. Those are just a few examples of types of add-ons you can create. You can get as creative as you want or as specific as you want with your add-ons. Next up on the settings list is amenities. Amenities are simply the available perks of each unit. Amenities can include water hookups, sewer hookups, 50 amp service, Wi-Fi access, concrete pad, waterfront access, etc. Amenities can be added onto the units when the units are being created. To add amenities to your list, simply go ahead and click on amenities in the settings dropdown. Type in the amenity you wish to add to your list. For example, I'm going to add 50 amp hookup and click add, and it will be added into the list below. You can add as many amenities as you like to accommodate all the available ones at your park. Here, I've added a few amenities to my list. As mentioned before, you can add as many amenities as you want to your list to be able to add later on onto your units. The next key thing that you can add within the settings is your park map. To upload your park map for people to be able to use your map to book from online, or for you also be able to book from your map internally, go ahead and go to your settings and click map. Once here, you can click upload new map, and then you can either drag and drop your file or click the box here and it will ask you to choose a file from your computer. Once added, it will download into Firefly and then pop up on your screen like so. Once you have units that you add within Firefly, you're able to click Mark Units on Map, and you can mark your units whether it's outlining them or adding a dot to them to make them interactive to be able to book again from the online portal and internally straight from the map. The next setting that we will look at is our taxes. Here, we will enter any taxes that we will be collecting for units, add-on items, or any other charges. Simply click the taxes button under your settings. Once here, go ahead and click the new tax button on the top right and simply enter the name of the tax and the rate of the tax. Once filled out, hit save. From here, You can add as many taxes that you need for your park. Once you add all your named taxes with their rates, then you can go ahead and apply these taxes to those items such as units, add-ons, POS items, or any other charges. Next item that we can add and create from our settings dropdown is our park's policies. Firefly offers advanced policies and e-signatures that can be saved for a guest's reservation. Multiple policies can be created and assigned to various reservation types, unit types, add-ons, or pets. They will also require an electronic signature at the time of the reservation. If a reservation for a guest is made from the back end, an email notification will be sent to the guest stating that they have policies needing to be signed. From there, the guest can then log into their guest portal to sign the required policies. To add and create policies, simply go to your settings dropdown and click on policies. Once inside the policies page, you will notice that Firefly sets up a general policy placeholder. This placeholder is defaultly set up to go out to all reservations types, all unit types, and regardless if a reservation has pets on it. To edit this placeholder and add my own park's general policies, I can simply click the three dots here on the right and click edit. From here, I can go ahead and replace where it says no policies available at this time with my park's own policies. Once I do that, I can then confirm that this policy as a general policy is going out to all my reservation types, all my unit types, and I want this policy to be accepted individually. If I wanted to for different policies, I can even restrict policies to different add-ons or restrict policies by unit class. Once I'm happy with this policy, I can simply click save, and that will get it ready to go out to all my guests when they book a reservation. Or I also have the option just to create a brand new policy. To do that, simply click the blue button here on the top right that says new policy. Once clicked, I will get a blank template here where I can add in the appropriate information, such as the title. For this policy, I'm going to create a firewood policy for my firewood bundle add-on. Once I add in my title and policy content, I can then choose where I want to restrict this policy to. For this example, I still want this policy to go out to all my reservations for all my units, and I do want this policy to be accepted individually, but I am going to restrict this add-on to my firewood bundles. Once I'm happy with that, I can click save, and that will add the policy to my block list. This example, I also added a pet policy. As you can see, it's going out to all types of reservations, all types of units, but as you can see, it's only applicable to those reservations if they have pets.